egg salad. So, mayonnaise, pickles, red onion, salt, black pepper. So, halo-halo lang. Nahalo ko na siya. So, nag-prepare na ako ng bread. Lagay na natin. 2 itlog lang to, guys. So, mas gusto ko to siya na na lunch. So, avoid eating rice. So, I think enough na siya. Lagyan ko siya ng tomato on top. Yan. So, ilagay na natin. So, wala tong mayonnaise kasi may mayonnaise na yung eggs. Ilagay na natin. So, that's my lunch. And i-prepare ko yung i-prepare natin yung papaya. Papaya with lemon. Ang sarap nito, guys. Papaya with lemon. This is my lunch. I love yogurt. This is my lunch. Very simple and very easy.